just going to sit in this little area here, which is fantastic for willow warblers, chiffchaff as well, of course. Lovely little location for them. I've heard the chiffchaff singing, not the willow warbler though as yet. I'm going to see if I can see anything dropping in. It's just finding the right little vantage point really, where you're concealed a little bit and oh, me long tail. Yeah, where you're concealed a little bit, where you can see as much as possible. Tits are flitting around there, so that's good news. I'll maybe put my camera over that. It's obviously got youngsters there now. Yeah, great stuff. Yeah, let's see what we can see dropping here, if there's anything. Yeah, there's that long-tailed tit. It has got youngsters in there. Yeah, I've sat in this area 10 minutes. There's not as many flybys in here actually is what I'd imagine, but brilliant. It's feeding these chicks in here. No drop-ins of the willow warbler in here. Do a few taps on some of this gorse and bramble and we'll see. Yeah, we'll get out. Well, no willow warbler, but I've got a chiffchaff in there. It's a beauty. It's feathered in it. That bird didn't come back in either. It's got eggs in there. Yeah. 3 or 4. Low-lying gorse and bramble. There he is. All dry grass. Seen it from the back, had to come right around this side. So there's the last there. Good stuff, we'll get out. Back here, the little chiffchaff nest that I had found in. It's coming back in, but this place has changed out of sight here. The greenery around here, oh, he's come back in. No bird on here to start with. Ah, he's all over. So it's pleased. It's one I had found building, and it's at the egg stage. I think there's about 5 or 6 eggs in there. Yeah, we'll get out. Check in on the Dunnock, and it's bad news on that one. It's just that very low one that I found a chance finding when it was bringing the feather in, but it's pulled. But there's an egg. I think there's an egg in there to the stone cold. It's all been attacked at, which is a shame. But this area here is just unbelievable. I couldn't even find that location and struggle. Right, we'll get out. Shame. Never spotted that long-tails in here when I was here the last time. But you can see it's being ravished. Look at that. That's a shame. Not one of mine, but missed that last time. Seriously hacked. Yeah, we'll get out. Shame. Checked on this the last time I was in this area, and I thought it had been pulled. They were in a line and it was obviously just stacked it up to go in, because as you can see she's got a clutch of 4 now. No bird, no blackbird, but the eggs are warm, lovely and warm. So she's just popped off her. It's very exposed. I thought I'd lost that. Nah, building it. Beauty. Lovely little nest. Plastic again. There. Good stuff. Get out. That wren there, I found that a little while ago. He's got his female in there. It's got about 6 eggs, all feather. It's got about 6 eggs in. See? The little Via sticks in there now. Feathers in. Eggs in, no bird. I will get out. It's a lovely little nest, that. That little moss ball in there was a wren I had found, built, ready to go, and it has been built up. It's feathered now, and it's got a whole host of eggs in there. I don't know if you can see that. Maybe. But yeah, great stuff. Get out. Just in there, I'm in a little area where I had that predated wren's nest, and looks like he's got one in here now. I'll go around. I think he got the front there. Maybe. There's no eggs in, no feathering. Yeah, little beauty. Right, we'll get out. Yeah, this one in here, which was deep and which I struggled to get a shot of. I originally thought linnet, but when I had second thoughts, it was yellowhammer, and I think, see if I can handle it. Disturbing too much of this post. In it is, it's a yellowhammer. It's got the 1 egg. Beauty. It's a beauty, that. Yeah. Never ever found one in this area. All in it. Brilliant. Yeah, I did think of yellowhammer after that. 1 egg will get out. Hard to find again, that bloody thing. And right nearby was the linnet. Now look at that lovely little nest there. And it's same. 1 solitary egg. And that's a linnet egg. With exposed, it's easier to see into this one actually. Yeah. I'll see if I can tuck them back up. Right. There's that yellowhammer there that I found. It had the clutch of 3 then. It hasn't added to that. A lot of yellowhammers last year had the clutches of 3. And this one is quite early, and that's just got the clutches of 3. We'll get out. Just check in on this blackbird, low in the gorse. A couple of foot off the deck, nestled in this V here. Oh, excellent. There's a clutch of 3 in there. Nice one. Beauty. This was built quite close to one that had been taken. She didn't have a lot of cover, but this one, it's excellent. Get out. Look at that in there. Now, the blackcaps have been going crazy here singing. I've tried to see if I could get any to drop, and wouldn't. But I've just looked in this lovely little bit of bramble here, and there you can see like moss at the bottom of that. There, and I honestly think that is going in there. Let's see if I can get a full view of it. Yeah, I think that's it. Like I say, the blackcaps have been singing all over this area. But get out. Just before I do, actually, there's a little feather there as well at the bottom. Yeah, I really do. I think that's going in. Brilliant. Good. Just getting in past the nettles on this one here. I was walking along the path last night and I heard a white-throat scratching around up here in the bramble. I've never heard him today, but there it is. That's going in there. He's not quite finished it yet. And I don't know if it's hard to see it. He's got it right under the bramble there. There. Yeah, that'll be the common white-throat, that. A deeper cup. Ah, he's in there. That's what he's building up. Oh, he was last night. That's a cracker, lad. Lovely, that. Get out. There. Remember that chance find willow warbler where I seen the willow warbler drop with the feather? Found the nest. It was a beauty, and I checked in on that about a week later. It was soaking. It was just a soggy mess, and you can see there's been no further development on that. It was putting feathers in. And that abandoned. Like I say, the rains. It's exposed. There's no bramble overhang. Nothing. It's just grass. Shame. Aye. No more. Right, we'll get up. Just leaning in here very gently, and yeah, this was the clutch of 4 on the path side, and you can see they've developed brilliantly now. The 3 chicks. There was one unhatched egg. They're excellent. Sun shining in on them.